Emergency, emergency. Two sentences are fighting. I like rice. I like beans. They are standing separately and refusing to work together. Who can save us? Super conjunction arrives. Don't worry, everybody. My job is to connect words, phrases, and sentences together. Today, we are learning conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join or connect words, phrases, or sentences together. Let's meet the conjunction family. First visitor, and. And says, I love bringing similar things together. Watch this. I like rice. I like beans. And joins them. And they say, I like rice and beans. Can you say and? Good job. Next visitor, but. But says, I come when two ideas are different. I wanted to play, but I had homework. Oh no! Okay, let's try one together. I am happy, but I am tired. Very good. Next visitor. So says, I show what happened next. I was hungry, so I ate food. Everybody clap for so. Now these three are called coordinating conjunctions. Say after me, coordinating conjunctions. You can remember them with the acronym FANBOYS. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for are, Y for yet, S for so. Next comes subordinating conjunctions. These connect ideas to a main idea. Because says, I explain why. I stayed inside because it was raining. Wonderful. And now for the last family. Correlative conjunctions. They always come in pairs because they are best friends. Either or, neither nor, both and, etc. Either you dance or you sing. Talks about choice, you have to choose one. Both John and Mary are happy. Neither rice nor yam is left. If you choose to say neither nor, it's still okay. Either or, still okay, and both mean the same thing. Challenge time! Complete this sentence. I wanted to sleep. I had homework. I'll be checking your answers and follow for more weekly review with Miss Vicky.